Hi, I'm Mr. Hoover, and in this video we're going to talk about exercise 2D. f of x is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 34. Look, there is a little tiny difference when compared to a, b, and c. For the first time we do have a minus here, but it works the same. Look, x minus a squared is x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Now look, if you wanted to complete the square, you have to take half of this and add it back here. Look what I mean by this. X squared minus 10x plus 5 squared, because it will be half of this squared, 5 squared, and then because you're not allowed to change the function, you have to subtract it right away, plus 34. So again, by doing nothing in an intelligent way, you're going to get closer to what you want, the vertex form. Well, this will be a perfect square. Binomial formula, x minus 5 squared minus 25 plus 34. So f of x is now x minus 5 squared plus 9. So from this, you know that your y-intercept is at 0, 34. From this, you know your vertex is at 5, 9. So you can start sketching your function. Well, this will be, let's say, 5, doesn't matter. Well, let's say this will be 9, and up here it's 34. That's where your y-intercept is, and well, this is going to be your graph. Clearly, you could say, well, this is 9, so this would be 18, so this can't be 34. But this is just one first drawing, a qualitative sketch of your function. It's enough for that. We know it has a vertex at 5, 9, and it goes through 34. If you wanted to draw a better drawing, well, then you could always do it to scale. This is not to scale, but it gives you a good idea of your function. You know that this function won't have any zeros because it's a happy parabola and its vertex is above the x-axis. Well, if you didn't believe that, you could always prove it mathematically. Well, for which x is this term here 0? So let's do it. X minus 5 squared plus 9 is equal to 0. Well, x minus 5 squared is equal to minus 9. Now you have to take the square root. X minus 5 is plus minus the square root of minus 9, which does not work. Look, this proves it mathematically. You don't have any zeros here. You can't take the square root of a negative number. That's not a real number. So this is what your graph looks like. Just keep this in mind. You have a minus 10 here. So then again, you add something and you subtract it right away. Like before, it's the same thing. So I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.